In this tutorial, I will show you how to use and customize video templates in minutes.
Our first step is going to be to find a template. FlexClip offers thousands of video templates that help you create all types of videos without the fuss. Browse the categories or type keywords to find the template you want to use. For example, if you search promo, you will see many video templates that help make promo videos or ads to promote your business. Hover over the video thumbnail, and you can quickly preview the content of the template. If you want to check the template with music, click the volume icon to unmute it, which makes it easier to find a suitable template. There is a heart icon on the top right corner. Click it to add the template to favorites for later use. Click the thumbnail to show all scenes. You can add a scene or apply the whole template. Check the box if you want to replace the background music. There are two options for applying the template: replace all scenes or add to the end of all clips. Once the template is added, it is time to make the design uniquely yours. If you wish to replace the media in the canvas, select it, click Replace button on the toolbar, or directly drag the media on top of it. All effects are retained after replacement. No need to reselect animations, filters, and so on. Head to our template library and make your video with great ease now.